Aquí está lo que llevábamos cargando. What we've been carrying. I watched you pour your coffee this morning, like any other morning, like nothing was wrong. And something in that ordinary gesture broke the lock on everything I'd held so long. So I said the thing I'd folded into silence, every careful word I'd swallowed with my pride. Not politely, not with measured, careful language, with everything that's been building up inside. No más silencio, no more sighs, no más sonrisas que mienten, no more smiles that lie, no más noches calladas, no more quiet nights, tragando lo que siento, swallowing what I feel. You said I was inventing, I said look at yourself. You said I was too much, I said you're not enough. And the cruelty of it shocked us both to stillness. How easily love learns to fight with love. La tormenta, la tormenta, the storm, everything we wouldn't say came out like rain. La tormenta, ay, la tormenta, every buried thing rose up and spoke its name. Years of yes when I meant no and fine when I meant breaking every compromise and swallowed and suppressed. La tormenta doesn't ask for your permission, it just comes and tears apart and takes the rest. You threw back every time I'd gone too quiet, every time I'd pulled away without a word. I threw back every unanswered question, every time I screamed inside and wasn't heard. And we stood across the kitchen like two strangers, breathing hard inside the wreckage of our words, seeing each other clearly for a moment, which was brutal and illuminating and absurd. Te vi, I saw you, me viste, you saw me, sin armadura, sin pretexto, feos y asustados y reales. ¿Cuánto tiempo llevamos? How long have we been? Hablando sin decir nada. ¿Cuánto tiempo llevamos? How long have we been? Juntos pero solos en la cama. The storm doesn't hate the house it breaks, it's just the pressure looking for a way. And maybe we needed the shattering to see what underneath the rubble wants to stay. We sat down on the floor, not touching, not apart, just two people in the aftermath of finally using their hearts, exhausted, emptied, terrifiedly honest. La tormenta pasó and we were still here. La tormenta pasó, shaken but still here. La tormenta, the silence after thunder sounds different than the silence before.